Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your LinkedIn featured section with Notion links, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your LinkedIn featured section using Notion links, start by logging into your Notion account. Navigate to the page you want to share in your featured section. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the page. Select Share from the drop-down menu. Toggle on the Share to the Web option. Copy the public link provided. Next, open your LinkedIn profile in a new tab. Scroll down to the featured section. Click on the plus icon to add new content. Select links from the options presented. Paste the Notion link you copied earlier. Click on the Add button to include the link in your featured section. LinkedIn will display a preview of your Notion page. Confirm that the preview looks correct and adjust the title if needed. Click on Save to finalize your changes. Your Notion page is now successfully verified in your LinkedIn featured section. To ensure everything is working, view your profile as a visitor. Check the featured section for the Notion link in preview. If everything looks good, your verification is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.